What's up everyone, welcome to Workshop Rebuild. Today we will be taking off the carburetor and the fuel pump from the Bolens and dissecting it to see what they did with it before us, so stay tuned. Okay, so we just took off the air filter. This is how it looks like underneath. Pretty... There's a lot of grime right there. On the fuel pump as well right there. And just around the carburetor. So we'll get that cleaned up and take the carburetor off as well. So let's get at it. If you're already at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you're always up to date. Okay, so we got the carburetor off the Bolens, and we're gonna take everything apart. We're gonna throw it in ultrasonic bath to clean out all the little cavities, and so the tools recommended are flathead screwdriver, 7/16 wrench, and a 9/16, and with these three tools you can tear into this carburetor. So let's get at it.